Hello friends, welcome back to The Professional Guy. Lithin Cruz, the famous TikToker, do you know why he ended his life? To know it in details, please watch this video till end.
Yes, I'm an alcoholic. I have a drinking problem.
TikTok and other social networks such as Instagram and Facebook have been criticized for having negative effects on one's confidence. This can deeply hurt one's mental health. There have been instances where people turn to self-harm or faced other issues such as anorexia and bulimia because of social media. Too much fan following in a short time makes them break from the real world. They are virtually so famous, not necessarily in real life. Many youngsters get addicted to these apps and make them feel bigger. Many of them who lost their fans or likes on their post suffer hopelessness. There are many incidents where young TikTokers have taken their lives when their real life dreams got shattered. Most of them live dual lives, or we can say the virtual world became their existence. Not many earn money from these apps, but they earn some fame which is not enough to fulfill their daily needs. Lithin Cruz was famous among Indians for his comical videos on TikTok. He had millions of fans before the government of India banned TikTok. Lithin Cruz started his career as a model and was a freelancer photographer too who has an interest in music and modeling. Lithin Cruz was from Kochi, Kerala. Before becoming a TikTok star, Lithin worked as a photographer and director of fashion and branding at L7 Studios and designer of fashion at B12 store. Lithin Cruz had more than 500k followers in TikTok and over 20 million likes. He is in his early 20s and his TikTok fan base was constantly growing before the ban. On 28 September 2020, there were many rumors on social media that TikToker Lithin has ended his life. Lithin was worried about the fact that the TikTok is getting banned in India. He was addicted to the virtual stardom. The 18-year-old from Salarpur went into depression for not getting likes and followers on TikTok. Depressed teenager and his life. This Kerala boy was active on TikTok, which allows users to post short clips of themselves performing all kind of stunts and lip-syncing songs and tunes. During the inquiry, it came to light that he would make videos on TikTok and nobody liked his videos on the app for the past few days. People from his family and neighborhood said that he was really worried about not getting likes on TikTok and that is why he took this extreme step.